So you want to be a minimalist student. Reduce all the unnecessary objects and focus on the values of simplicity, quality over quantity, and living with the intention of achieving balance and desired outcome. And as a student, you know how important balance is. Being a minimalist student might just help you achieve. Hi, I'm Santiago from Gradehacker, the non-traditional student #1 resource, and here you learn how to use the minimalist lifestyle to change how you approach life. How exactly? Well, it can facilitate studying, enhance productivity, remove distractions, and increase overall well-being and satisfaction. If this is what you want to achieve, the first step is to prioritize and organize. As a student, being a minimalist means working with simplicity and efficiency. Setting realistic goals and knowing what you should prioritize is key. So, taking time to review and tackle the most important tasks first rather than trying to do everything at once will help you a lot. This way you can save time, energy, and avoid getting overwhelmed. You can also create a to-do list. Focus on the most important tasks first and break down bigger projects into smaller ones. Which takes us to our second tip. Get rid of unnecessary tasks and eliminate distractions. Yes, focusing on one task at a time is important, but you also need to create the perfect study space. Really, making your environment distraction-free can be a breakthrough for your result. A clean space can boost your mood and motivate you to achieve all of your tasks. How precisely? Remove all unnecessary objects on site that can distract you, turn down your noises, put your phone in Do Not Disturb mode, and even leave it in another room if you can. Now, since you need to limit your physical resources to the minimum, our third tip is to have items that will endure over time. Invest in quality, not in quantity. Instead of buying multiple inexpensive items that will only occupy space, invest in high-quality tools that improve your productivity and in the long run, help you save money. The less stuff you have, the less time you'll spend dealing with issues. You can invest in a good laptop, a top-graded notebook, wireless equipment, an e-reader, quality calculators, iPads, or anything you need for your career. But listen out, because our final tip is to make the most of digital resources. Especially nowadays, physical media isn't as needed as before. There are plenty of resources available, and by changing books to digital textbooks, you can save a lot of space. You can also start using audio recordings. For example, the next time you go out for a walk or commute to work, you can listen to the reading material with an app. We recommend Speechify, and you can see why in our full review. Now, you don't need to be a hardcore minimalist to enjoy life. You don't need to live in an empty space room with only a few things inside. Do it if that's what works for you, but if you need a way to get back on track, focus more, and make better use of your time, then incorporate these minimalism tips into your life. Minimalism is about living with clarity and a sense of relief. But if you're looking for tips more productivity-oriented, then you should check out our other videos. You can also visit our website. We have lots of free resources and tips for you. Let us know in the comments if minimalism was the right choice, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.